What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, what I want to show you, and I promise at the end of this video, you stick around, watch this entire thing, I promise you at the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make $1,000 per week online for free using Google. Yes, Google, one of the biggest websites in the world. I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 per week using Google, and I'm going to give you everything you need so you can start right now. Alright, so before you rush through this entire video and go off and start making your money, start making your $1,000 this week, first I just want to ask you something. If you enjoy these videos on free methods to make money online, let me know down in the comment section below. Just type in yes and hit the thumbs up button. It just shows me that you like this type of video. So, let's talk about how you can actually make $1,000 per week for free online using Google. Now here's where the magic really happens. Let me show you how it works. Look at this website. This isn't a bad website right here. It's actually not a bad website. Pretty cool website. Okay? Here's another one. Budget Lawn Care. Another decently put together website. I'll show you one more. This one right here. Summerlin Piano Studio. It's a decent website, right? But all three of these websites have one thing in common. Do you know what that is? You may have no clue what I'm actually referring to. Now I'm going to show you that right now. I'm going to show you the free Google Chrome extension you can get that will do this exact same thing. Now let me show you. Every single one of these websites is not connected to Facebook using Facebook Pixel. Okay? What Facebook Pixel pretty much allows people to do is if somebody lands on this page, Facebook would then know, okay, this person landed on that page, so they're going to go and send them ads that this company runs for anybody that lands on this page. So what that means is, as a business owner, if somebody lands on my page, I can retarget them later on with a different ad. It's very simple and it's very inexpensive, but most people don't do this. Here's the free Google Chrome extension. It's called Facebook Pixel Helper. Okay? So you can see right here on this betterbouncers.com, there's no pixels found. On Budget Lawn Care, there's no pixels found. On Summerlin Piano Studio, there's no pixels found. But how do you find companies or websites, businesses that have a website, but they are not connected using Facebook Pixel? Because I can tell you right here, they do have a Facebook page, but it's probably not connected. Okay, it's not doing very well. I can guarantee this because it's not having Pixel on their website. So now that you know what it is we're going to be doing, and essentially this is what we do. We go onto Google, we find different websites, different companies that have a website that is not connected to Facebook using Facebook Pixel. Second thing is, we contact those companies and let them know how we can help. Third thing is, we pretty much address this because I'll give you the actual email that I send, but the third thing is, we're going to try to book a coaching call with them to explain to them what they're doing wrong and why you think you can help and how you can actually help. We're going to let them know it's missing Facebook Pixel, and I can show you exactly how to do it. I can actually put it on your website for you and charge you a simple flat fee, $100, maybe $250 to put Pixel on their site. It's something that's going to take minutes to do, and the best part about this is you can then go and create ads for them and charge them even more to run ads to their website. Called retargeting, and I'll give you a website you can go and learn all about this in just a second. Okay, so we find the website, find the company on Google, and send them an email. Okay, we contact them and let them know how we can help them, and we offer services after a coaching call. It's that simple. Okay, so let me show you exactly how we do it. We go to Google and we just go to different cities and then different industries such as lawn care, dentist, lawyer, psychiatrist, chiropractor. We could do, Tampa pool services. Okay, Tampa pool services. There we go. Okay, then we'll come down here into this little Google My Business thing and click on More Businesses. This is exactly what you're going to do. The first thing you need to do is go to your Google Chrome extensions and add Facebook Pixel Helper. Okay? Because when we do this, so I'm going to click on one of these that most likely will have it on their website. Okay, I'm going to click on a couple. This one right here does pool cleaning and pool service Tampa. We're going to click on those three. First one right here. The Pool Guys of Tampa Bay. Okay, all right, they got their website, but they do not have any pixels on their website. No pixels. Okay. Here's another one. No pixels. Okay. Here's another one. Well, this is a domain, so we're actually going to get rid of that one. But let's go find, let's see if maybe this one has it. Okay. Or maybe this one. We'll go to these last two and just see if they have it. Nope. This one doesn't have it. Okay. No pixel. This one right here. No pixel. Okay. So what that tells me is all these different companies right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I should be sending them a message. Send them an email. Okay. Call them if I have to. And let them know how I can help. But it's not just pool services. Let's say you come and go to Savannah. There we go. Savannah, Georgia Concrete. Okay. This looks like one that I actually did before. Let's say I just come to any of these. Let's go to this one right here. Open up that one and let's do something with some review. Here we go. That's at the Home Depot. Paving and concrete. We'll do that one as well. Okay. So these two. This one right here. Advanced concrete cutting and coring. Look at that. No pixel. Let's go this one. Platinum paving and concrete. Look at that. No pixel. Every single one of these does not have a pixel. So what that means is there's a huge opportunity. If you're just charging, maybe $100, you're charging $250 to do this, to add a pixel, okay, you're going to make a lot of money because there's so many people that do not have this. Okay, so let me show you something. One of the things I want to show you is what does it look like if there is a pixel, because we know what it looks like if it doesn't have one. Just like that. There's nothing. We click on it, says no pixels found on budgetlawn-care.net. But what if we went to one of these dentists right here and went to something that, see if one of these have it. So I opened up Aspen Dental. It's a bigger dental place, I think all over the United States. And right here, Aspen Dental. Right here, Facebook Pixel Helper has access to this site. We click on that. And it has page view, view count, complete registration, and lead. That's what we want. Okay? We want pretty much a page view because anytime you view the page, chances are I'm going to go to Facebook and I'm going to see an ad for Aspen Dental. Okay? Viewed their content, yes. I did not complete a registration and I'm not a lead. Okay? No big deal. Okay? I didn't reschedule my visit. Okay? I didn't come down here and do any of this stuff. Okay? So, but that's all I'm saying is that's what you need to work on. You need to get that. But how do you do it? Here's how. You send your viewer, your people that you contact, this pretty much email right here. Now this is one I changed just a little bit. Took out some stuff that's pertaining to my company, but this is pretty much all I'm going to do. I'd say, hey, I just wanted to reach out to you and say that I really enjoy your website. I reached out to some colleagues of mine, and you come highly recommended for dentistry. I understand that you're busy running your business, but I believe I can help you. I run a small social media marketing agency in blank, wherever you're from, and notice you are missing an extremely important piece to be able to remarket. With a few tweaks, I know I could get you many new customers for your business. Let me know when you have time to talk, and I can explain everything for free. You can always reach me through phone at blah, 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 or email at blah, blah. I look forward to talking with you, and then put in your name. You can take this exact one and obviously add the name, hey, Aspen Dental, whoever you're going to talk to there. You're highly recommended for dentistry or plastic surgery or whatever it is. Okay, I run a small marketing agency in the Philippines, in Seattle, in Denver, in Aspen, wherever you're currently located. Notice you're missing an extremely important piece to be able to remarket. So something very simple. All you want to do is kind of dangle out that information. What is it that I'm missing? it's an important piece to be able to remarket. Well, remarketing, that's important, right? Yes, it is. Okay? But again, how do you do this? One of the most common questions I get from people is not, okay, what is the idea, but how do I implement these different strategies, okay? I just told you, go to Google, you find these different companies. But in order to do that, you have to go and download the Facebook Pixel Helper, okay? So that's pretty much number one. Facebook Pixel Helper, download it so you have it. Second thing is go to Google, type in Denver, whatever the industry is. You know, San Francisco, whatever the industry is. Now here's a pro tip for you guys. Do not go after the big cities. Don't go after Denver, New York, Miami, Seattle, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Las Vegas. Okay? Do not do that. The reason why is because usually the bigger companies are going after the big cities, are trying to just be everywhere inside that city. So go after the smaller cities. Don't go after Atlanta, Georgia. Go after Savannah, okay? Athens. Don't go after, the biggest city or the bigger cities in Florida. Don't go after Miami, okay? Maybe you can go after, Tampa. You're going to go after, Destin, Florida. There's so many options. Go after a smaller city, okay? So, like I said, get Facebook Pixel Helper. Second thing is go to Google and type in whatever the city is and your industry, okay? Third thing is find these different websites, these businesses that don't have Facebook Pixel Helper, that don't show it active, so there's no pixel, because then here's what you do. Let me show you. If you can go to facebook.com, you can type in this address right up here if you want to. It's just an ads, like a help center, ads university, but pretty much just shows you how to run ads. But in this, okay, inside all this, okay, inside the beginner's guide, okay, you can find out how to add Facebook Pixel. It's very simple, okay? All you do is take a little snippet of code, and it shows you how to do it and what the code is. You take that code and you stick it on these different websites. So you come over here to budgetlawn.net, you give them the code, or you'd show them how to do it, or you would actually get access to their website and you would put that code in. And Facebook shows you exactly where to put it in. Okay? It's very simple. Okay? So that's all you're doing. And like I said, it's very simple, very basic, but at the end of it, you can charge hundreds of dollars for this exact service. Now here's the best part. Because this is just an introduction. Okay? It's an introductory offer to help these businesses grow, get more customers, get more clients, make more money. But when a company makes more money, what do they normally do with that money? They normally reinvest it back into their business to grow from this spot to here, to here, to here. Okay? They reinvest back into their company. So what that means for you, if you're the one that got them into, this, online marketing, putting a Facebook Pixel on their website, you're retargeting their audience. What that means for you, they're going to come back to you and ask you, how can we double that? How can we triple our business now? How can we add in more customers, get more leads, offer different discounts and services and offers to people? How can we do it? And that's where you come in. And now, instead of just making $100 off each one of these clients and making $1,000 a month, now you're making $1,000 or making $1,000 a week. Now you're going to be making $1,000 a day or multiple $1,000 every single week, because now you're marketing for other companies. You're marketing every single day, every single week. You're retweaking things. You're changing things up. And again, I know I'm getting a little bit off topic, a little more advanced, a little more in the future. But you gotta understand, if you do well for one company, they're going to come back. They're going to want more from you. And with that, more companies are going to reach out and use you for that service alone. So hopefully you kind of understand this video. If you don't, and if you have questions, you can always ask questions down in the comment section below. But again, hopefully you understand it. Now, if you enjoyed it and you want more videos on free ways to make money online, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. But like I said, comment yes down below and hit that thumbs up button. It just shows me that this is something that you want to see more of. All right? So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.